Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to enable global selling on Amazon Seller Central. Before that, I will just give you an overview of this program. So on Amazon, there are two programs. One is a Bill International Listing, that's to sell to another country internationally, and Global Store, Global Selling. So the first option, Build International Listing, you are responsible to list the item, and you are responsible to dispatch the item to the end customer. You are responsible for the returns, basically all the stuff. And on the other hand, this global store, you just have to enable it, and you need to have the stock on FBA, and Amazon will purchase and Amazon will take care of the rest of everything. So it's a very easy way to expand internationally. So there are a few criteria around it, like if you're already selling on, let's assume that your home country is in the UK and you're selling in France and you already have listed item using BIL, and then that means Amazon will not sell in that country. So if you don't have a listing in any specific country, then this program is useful. And Amazon will send you a report as well every month with all the breakdown of the full report. Basically, Amazon is purchasing, so Amazon is your customer. So let's jump into the dashboard and show you how to do that. Once you have logged in, you have to go to Fulfillment by Amazon. And from here, if you can scroll down, you can see this option, allow Amazon to buy my product to sell globally. So this has already been enabled. If on your dashboard, if it's not enabled, you can click edit and then enable it. And sometimes there'll be an extra box here as well. So that will ask you if you want to enable, like if you're running a voucher or any kind of offers to reduce the price, to enable that, to replicate that offer to the international listing. So if you enable it, then Amazon will replicate that offer around the countries. So these are the two things that you have to keep a note, and that's it. You're good to go. Amazon will do the rest. We'll send you the invoice, and if you want to notice, you can recognize the orders from your dashboard. You can see the orders, and it will show, it will highlight that it's been purchased by Amazon. So that's how easy it is. And if you have a limited resource, then this is the best way to expand to international markets. I hope this video was helpful. Oh, by the way, I have some FAQs as well. I will put the link down in the description. This is basically within Amazon, so there are a lot of FAQs. If you want to go through it, yeah, please do. Thanks a lot for watching.